We have just completed one of the craziest metal polishing jobs we've ever done on a Globe Swift. We had a gentleman named Bruce bring in his 1946 Super Swift. What makes it a Super Swift, you may ask? It has a bigger engine, sliding canopy, newer avionics, an auxiliary engine, among other things. This is a really special plane. When we have a project come in like this, there's so many things to consider. We have to figure out what's causing the metal to not have its luster. Is it oxidation? Is it corrosion? Is it just wear and tear through the age? And this metal was really well taken care of. It's an older plane, so our job is to start step by step bringing it back, and this is a multi-day process we have to go through to bring it back. Step one is just getting all of the sensitive areas and antennas all taped off and pitot tubes all covered. Once we get that done, then we can start doing our first pass with a heavy cut to remove any oxidation or any light surface corrosion. And then once we get a good gloss polish on it, we'll go into the actual restoration, the deswirling, cutting the scratches out and smoothing out the metal. We'll go through the whole plane 2 complete times. We'll start to go into stage 3, which is more of the restoration, finish brightening, and metal protection. When we go into stage 3, the big thing we focus on is that final stage of finish gloss and protection on the metal. For the metal polishing process, it depends project by project, but on this project in particular, we used 4 stages of metal polish to brighten and revive the metal to the stage where we were happy. The metal when we received the plane was in really good condition. The owner obviously takes good care of it, but there are times where you just have to cut the metal down and repolish it and brighten it back up, and that's what we had to do here. At the end of the project, it's really important for me to be able to give that customer that finished experience. We still want to make sure all the way out of leaving our facility that the plane looks good and is ready for flight. Bruce, we appreciate you for bringing your plane out, and we look forward to the next project.